watch this video on Jupiter retrograde pick a card reading that covers most of your 2/3 of the July month. If not, the link is there in the description box. And this reading is for you if your sun, moon, rising or Venus are in the sign of Libra. Excuse me. This reading is for July 2021. I'm going to ask 2-3 questions and pull few cards based on those questions to know your energy. So the very first question, Libra, I want to ask for July 2021 is, what is your current energy that takes you into July month? With what energy are you entering July 2021? So what is your current energy, Libra? Magician and 10 of Wands. Okay, I think you're busy manifesting something in your life. You're really busy in your work. Maybe you are into some communication work or some mind work, and you feel really burdened about manifesting that. So yeah, so it seems that, and also you're closing a cycle towards that. You're doing some sort of spell, maybe some mind work, spiritual work, mantras. So you seem to be very busy and burdened with some sort of, bringing some results in your life. Libra. Okay. Next question that I want to ask is, what is it that you don't see coming towards you in the month of July 2021? What you don't see coming in July 2021 with this busy, burdened energy and manifesting with the work of manifestation? What you don't see coming is 2 of Cups and Knight of Wands. Alright, so what you don't see coming is offer, is a relationship which is coming towards you with unexpectedly, out of the blue. Somebody comes and offers this is a new love, new relationship, new contract, new commitment coming your way. Sorry if the camera was shaking. So somebody feels very attracted to you. And whatever Zuzu you've been working towards somebody, supposedly, if that's your case, I think that's working on the new person. Okay, up till now I'm not getting any past person coming here. Somebody is definitely rushing towards you unexpectedly to offer you the cup of love, affection. Okay, Libra, somebody is attracted towards you and you're manifesting something. Wow. It can be the same person, same contract, same thing, same commitment, but it can be different also. Okay, this card just jumped in while I was talking about it. Okay, but whatever it is, whatever is offered to you, you will feel very emotionally satisfied. So I think you'll be the kind of burdening and kind of giving up and busyness you have in terms of manifesting something and whatever it is, what comes in July will give you a lot of emotional satisfaction. So that's really wonderful, isn't it? Okay, now what is the piece of advice from the angels and gods, ascended masters, and universe, whatever you believe onto? So first is the Death card, which is about transformation. It is actually asking you to get out of your old fashion. Unexpected change is what I told you. So there is some change happening in your environment unexpectedly. And 9 of Wands. Okay, so your advice from the higher beings is transform your life and defend yourself against, have healthy boundaries. That is what I'm trying to tell you. It's like you've won a battle. You are about to start a new life. Unexpectedly your life changes. Probably you have not planned that way. It's okay, but fence yourself and defend yourself against anything toxic, anything negative. Okay, you may feel that your creativity is jailed or blocked, but I mean, it's like nine of wands is always a tired warrior who's taking a break, watching his work, what he has done, and but still at defense. And that is what is your advice, that you are really burdening yourself with a lot of things, but in July month, because there is something which is coming and giving you emotional satisfaction, you're being advised to give up on the old. That card is about losing the old patterns, giving up on the old tendencies, letting go of the past, and fencing yourself, fencing and defending yourself from the past. Okay. Okay, now let me pull two cards for you as your overall energy. Okay, this just jumped in. It was six of. Okay, I'll keep it here because it came along with here. And Six of Pentacles and. Okay, so many cards. Who are you? Libra. Overall energy card. Six of Pentacles and Seven of Pentacles. So overall, this is what you will ultimately come to the conclusion that yes, angels are right. I need to give up on my old and I have to strategize my life. I've worked hard on something to manifest something in my life, and once you get this emotional satisfaction, you'll actually start to see that probably I was so mismanaged and I was not prioritizing my life. I was diverting my energy into some place which probably didn't deserve me, and then that is what you finally come to a point of halting, introspecting, understanding, and ending that phase. So thankfully you're following exactly what the angels are telling you, that fence yourself, take a break, fence yourself from whatever is non-deserving in your life, and prioritize your life. Do not further burden yourself with past and past people, or manifesting a certain amount of things, because divinely something is definitely coming your way which will give you a lot of emotional satisfaction, and you'll feel like I have achieved more than what I want. So probably at this point of time you can only see a certain amount of success, but that is not the success that the divine wants from you. It is actually asking you to shed the old, get into the new. At least that openness is important. Defend yourself against the past energies and get into that emotional satisfaction of Nine of Cups with Two of Cups. Something is definitely coming your way to give you lots of satisfaction this month, July 2021. But the conditions are you ready to really prioritize your life and not divert your energies? And are you ready to do the Seven of Pentacles that seeing through things now? I was working so hard towards this undeserving candidate. I have something better. Okay, so that's what your reading is, Libra. I hope you like this reading. If yes, please share this video with your loved ones, and do comment in the comment section about how this new pattern of my reading resonate with you. There are weekly readings that I'll be posting, of course. This is just your monthly overall reading based on these 2-3 questions that I just asked. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.